Today in this video I show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen status bar in iPhone. For this you can try the methods that I am going to show you in this video. First method is to check do not disturb mode. Open control center. Now if your do not disturb mode is on, then you have to turn it off like this. You can also check your airplane mode. If this airplane mode is enabled, then you have to disable it. Second method is low power mode. If your low power mode is enabled, then you can have some problem with notifications. Open settings app. Scroll down to find battery. Open it. Now you have to turn off this low power mode toggle and check if your problem is fixed or not. Third method is to check WhatsApp notifications. Open settings app. Now you have to open notifications. Open this show previews and select always. Now go back. Scroll down to find WhatsApp and open it. Now if this allow notifications toggle is turned off, then you have to turn it on and make sure all these options is check marked and all toggles are enabled. Also check out your show previews. If this is not selected to always, then select always in it. Now open WhatsApp, click on settings icon, open notifications. Now make sure all these toggles are turned on. Now the last method that you can try is background app refresh. Open settings app and then click on general. Now click on this background app refresh and scroll down to find WhatsApp. Now enable this WhatsApp toggle. So by these methods, you can fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen status bar in iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.